So you wanted to get started generating some videos with Gemini Omni. You can create anything from any input starting with the actual video. So I'm going to be showing you how to get started the very easy way. The first thing to do is to navigate directly into the Omni workspace and aspect ratios. To get started, you want to head over into Gemini application and use this feature. Make sure the Google AI Premium plan or have a qualifying workspace licenses. If I go into my Gemini, go for a new tab, you can focus directly into the plus section and you can click directly into the element that says create a video. If you don't have a video enabled, that means that you needed to make the actual upgrade from a Google plan. Now the Pro version, I think that the actual Gemini can give you now the Google Flow, which is helping you with the AI Studio to create cinematic scenes and stories with Google Advanced Generic Models and so much more. That's the reason why I wanted to select that element. When you choose that stuff, you can head back directly to the Google Gemini, hit into the plus tab, and here you see the element that says create videos. The process actually is going to be exactly the same as it is with creating images or creating videos. Just tell the actual prompt of what you're actually looking for so they can be generating you that element for you. So before you write a single word, you want to set your project boundaries. If you prompt using a raw text, Gemini Omni defaults to the cinematic landscape format. So if you upload a reference photo of an initial clip first, the model will automatically adapt its internal aspect ratio grid to match your source file perfectly. For example, I'm gonna go for the element that says upload the actual files, go for agree, go for my downloads, and I want to be generating, for example, this specific element. So with this image, let's go for based with this image cinematic view, and you enter your actual prompt of what you're actually looking for. The element directly inside here with the Gemini Omni, sometimes it does exactly the same thing. And if you wanted to go for the Google Flow can help you to get started, of course, in a very easy way. But once again, you can get an actual free plan available into the link down below I'm going to be sending you, so you can get the actual Google workflow working for you in a very easy way. Now there's an actual free version for the meta ads or the Google workflow, but I think that in order to get started inside here, you wanted to enter your I think that you have to enter like a payment method, of course, in order to get started. A lot of people doesn't like to do that stuff, but basically that's like the only way of how we can actually get started with all of those elements. And most of them actually works with Nano Banana and creating some characters. Here's the tool flow, and every time you generated some videos, it will be appearing directly into your actual project, such as we just did here. For example, we just generated something really easily, right? So that's how we can actually just send the actual prompt and it will be generating you, for example, the actual video what you're actually aiming for. For example, here we're just generating like an actual shark and people watching here directly from over, and in this case, for example, just like a mall. But in this case, I think that the process that didn't work so well, because what I wanted to do is to make this a little bit much more real. It looks real, but the actual prompt sometimes has like their own unique problems, right? So when you finish with this element, what you can do is to redefine stuff you can tell directly into the actual scenes. Try to change this element, try to do something different, and basically, of course, we don't need to go focusing a lot into trying to master everything that you have just already been getting started. Make sure that when you generate your actual videos, you're using a really great prompt in order to creating like the best video so far. Now be sure, of course, to always try to be a little bit specific into what you're actually aiming for, because sometimes it understands you, sometimes it doesn't. So with this being said, guys, we have reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, it will be our honor to send you more tutorials about what you're actually aiming for directly inside there. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and well, hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you well, guys, next time.